Hey guys, it's Skitterboy 2.0 here, back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys the mx650 review and test. So this is my friend's mx650. He lives over there, but he's too small for it, so he lets me ride it. And I really love it. It's a nice bike. It goes 17 miles per hour. And it costs about $400 to $500 on good websites like Amazon. So it's on right now, so I'm going to turn off. So this is the switch on and off. Up is on, off is down. It's a 36-volt motorcycle. It's pretty fast. And let's do the quick run. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I like hitting the gate. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.